In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front grille on your Dodge Ram, located right on the front of your truck. Across the top of the grille, there are a series of 8mm nuts. Let's go ahead and loosen and remove those. Let's go across the bottom of the support here and remove these 8mm bolts. At this point here, we should be able to go ahead and remove our grille. So you're going to go ahead and use a pocket screwdriver, and I'm going to get right underneath the edge of the emblem here. You're going to go underneath the chrome and the black. You're going to kind of work that in and get underneath that. And you're probably going to have an adhesive in there. Go ahead and peel that up. On the back side of your emblem, you're going to go ahead and clean off any residual adhesive or tape that might be on there. Across the top of the grille, we're going to have 6 plastic retainers here. And what you're going to do is you're going to slide them on, like so. Push it all the way in. Then you have these stud screws right here. And we'll line that up. And you're going to use an E4 inverted Torx to go ahead and thread those in. When that bottoms out, just stop. Go ahead and repeat for the other 5. Go ahead and install the last one here. Now across the bottom of the grille, you're going to have these metal screw retainers. You're going to press them in, snap those on like that, and continue right across the bottom of the grille. Go ahead and lower your grille down in a position. Put in the studs in the holes across the top of the hood. Let's go ahead and install the nut. We're going to do this across the whole top of the hood area. And let's go ahead and snug them down. Hold the grille up to the bracket and go ahead and get your screws started. Once these are all in, we're going to go ahead and snug them down. Go ahead and repeat for the others. I'm going to go ahead and you can use some epoxy. You can use some glue on this here. You can use some thin double-sided tape. We're going to let that glue cure for just about a minute and then put our emblem on. Now it's been about a minute. Let's go ahead and set this in place. Take a little bit of time for that to cure, and you should be all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.